just a couple things to show you before you do the demonstration about how to put the cartridge in here. So when you look at the gun, this is your plunger rod. This is the release for the rod, which you'll see in the demonstration. This is so you can cut the tip off. I never use that. The reason why is I like to insert the cartridge first, and then I will actually cut the tip off. Because if not, it just starts leaking all over the place. Sure, you could cut the tip off and then put something in there, but that's just me, but I'll show you. But you can use that to cut the end off. And this is to clear it. Again, if you use a screw in the end of the cartridge like that, you won't have to use that all the time, but that is what that's for. So now we'll just show you a quick demonstration. Okay, how do you use a caulking gun? So here's your caulking gun. You have a little lever here. You push down on that. Bring this back in order to insert. And it'll slide in like so. You're going to release this lever through this in. You want to get that so that that's tight. So when you hit the trigger, you want it to push on the back of the caulking tube and then out, right? Then cut the end of the tip off. And you can see on the tube there's a little indentation right there where you would cut it. Like so. Get a little piece of wood to test it on. There we go. So we're going to fill in some of these little holes here. And you can see that I've got a screw at the end of this, so I always put a little screw in there. If not, it leaks all over the place. Okay, so we're going to fill in some of this. And you just kind of get a good bead on there, depending on what you're doing. And this we're going to kind of squish in with our fingers as we get going. And just kind of gives you kind of an idea of what people use it for. And that is how you use a caulking gun.